Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure use public.com to investigate in stocks and alternative asset. In order to use public.com for investing, you can follow these steps to set up your account and trade across various assets. First thing, you want to open a browser, type in public.com. After you're taken to their official page, you simply want to make sure to select the sign up button and you just want to make sure to go ahead and start registering. After which, you want to make sure to verify identity, submit a photo of your ID, and answer questions about your trading experiences. Verification typically takes up to 1 to 3 business days. You could also fund your account by linking your bank account by Plaid or using a debit card. The minimum initial deposit $20. And you could also use the search bar at the very top of the app to find specific sticker or ticker symbols to explore a curated theme like tech giant as well. You could also buy slices of stocks by entering a dollar amount instead of buying a full share as well. And on the asset page, you could tap on buy, choose between a market order or a limited order, and you could set a maximum price you're willing to pay. So this way you'll be able to use public.com to invest. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.